We'll get into the video in just a moment, but first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We're inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen.Ed Academy. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to the video. Know your limits, get more done, achieve greatness. Let's talk about the power in knowing our limits. Now, this may seem counterintuitive to say when we're always floating in this dreamy idea about being limitless, especially in the world of spiritual philosophy. But I'm using this term in a slightly different way to get you to think about how you feel obligated to use your energy when it is not in alignment with your authenticity. Because the ability to objectively recognize your limits more clearly can help you to flourish in areas where your energy needs to flow more freely. I mean, we can believe that we are limitless, but if we leap off a cliff with the intention to fly, we probably won't, due to the objective reality that we have no wings. I call this objective alignment. Align your genius abilities with your limits and you can be unstoppable. Focus all of your attention outside of your limits in some other dimension. And it's really hard to gain traction inside of this dimension. We are born with unique abilities that determine the paths that we will travel in life. But we must understand that what inspires one person may overwhelm another. So when we understand what we are capable of reasonably handling, we have a mastery over our own well-being. But finding our limits can be hard, especially if we're told that the stress we felt while engaging in activities outside of our comfort zone was all in our head. Think about a time when something left you drained that was supposed to be good for you, but you kept wasting your energy just to prove that you were limitless. Maybe it was even some kind of spiritual peer pressure. See where I'm going with this? You know that you are operating within your energetic limits when you have energy for what you need and want to do. Abundance of energy, a boundless energy. We all improve when we push to extend the range of our capabilities. This is true. But being wise enough to create a life strategy that allows you to achieve your goals without compromising your energy can help you to focus on what you can actually do rather than what you cannot do. Now, this isn't a one-time personal energy analysis. Our limits change as we do, and rolling with it allows you to flow and flourish by recognizing the things that nourish you and the things that do not. It's the difference between applying yourself and improving and overworking and exhausting yourself. Just like driving a car, you're constantly aligning yourself objectively to the road ahead within this dimension, if you really want to get anywhere, that is. When you know your limits objectively, you can get more done and achieve the greatness that you were meant for. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash on that subscribe button, and don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen.Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and level up your skills. Emotional processing, stronger intuition, self-trust, self-growth, all of that just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.